Have a select group of reviewers evaluate your curriculum. This should comprise a group of 5 to 10 professionals who might have expertise relative to your curriculum focus or be potential users of the curriculum. For example, if you are a teacher, the group may be other teachers, special and general educators as appropriate, specialists, supervisors like principals, learning coaches, district coordinators. You will prepare a questionnaire to get their feedback. Review the material in the Likert Scale resource guide included in your course tools to assist you in developing your questionnaire. You will want to include questions that address the content of the curriculum program, the appropriateness of your program in meeting learner needs, and questions that address whether or not they see the utility of the program for themselves and the students or clients they serve. You will also want to collect information about the demographics and role of the reviewers as appropriate while maintaining their anonymity. You will also want to include a space on the evaluation for open-ended responses from participants. This will allow them to provide feedback that they feel is important, but that your questions did not address. Part 4 of the project paper includes your discussion of the project evaluation data, your feelings about the project results beyond the evaluation data, and what your next steps are. For example, how you might change or improve your curriculum program, how you use your curriculum program in the future, or how you will continue the work in this area as appropriate. This section will include a table of your evaluation results placed appropriately in the text so that the readers can reference it as they read your project paper. You will create a table to collapse the Likert scores by evaluation question, all, or averages as appropriate, so that you can discuss the feedback you received. I've included an example on this slide, but there is no one right way to do this. Make sure it is informative and understandable to a reader. The evaluation questionnaire and individual responses from reviewers will be included in an appendix as evidence of completion of this step. What should I say about step 11? Think of your reader. Be proud of your project and the work you've completed. Make sure it's reflected in a well-written final paper. Spell and grammar check it. Check it for APA style. Headings, citations in the text, and your reference list are where we see the most errors. Please try to fix these before your final submission, or you'll be asked to do so by your committee members before a final grade and a Pass 2 degree are submitted. So finally, you will be asked to prepare a final presentation, 15 minutes in length, to be reviewed by your committee. The guidelines for doing this are included in the course materials. Your review committee will be comprised of your program advisor, the course instructor, and another faculty member that will be selected by your advisor. All need to approve your project for your final grade and a recommendation to graduate. They may recommend some changes, hopefully few or none, because we will have worked carefully together every step of the way. I hope you're excited and not too anxious and ready for these final steps.